Python Pandas, how to turn a data frame with factors into a design matrix for linear regression. If memory serves me, in R there is a data type called factor which when used within a data frame can be automatically unpacked into the necessary columns of a regression design matrix. For example, a factor containing true/false/maybe values would be transformed into for the purpose of using lower-level regression code. Is there a way to achieve something similar using the Pandas library? I see that there is some regression support within Pandas, but since I have my own customized regression routines I am really interested in the construction of the design matrix, a 2D NumPy array or matrix, from heterogeneous data with support for mapping back and forth between columns of the NumPy object and the Pandas DataFrame from which it is derived. Update: here is an example of a data matrix with heterogeneous data of the sort I am thinking of. The example comes from the Pandas manual. The A column should be converted into 4 floating point columns. In spite of the meaning, there are only 4 unique atoms. The B column can be converted to a single floating point column, and the C column should be an unmodified final column in the design matrix. Thanks. Such
There is a new module called Patsy that solves this problem. The quick start linked below solves exactly the problem described above in a couple lines of code. This URL. Here is an example usage. Generates.
Patsy.matrices may in many cases work well. If you just have a vector, a pandas.series, then the below code may work producing a degenerate design matrix and without an intercept column.
I get this output. So, the first column is an indicator for the data frame locations that were 1, the second column is an indicator for the data frame locations that were 2, and so on. Columns 4 and 5 are indicators of data frame locations that were X and Y, respectively, and the final column is just the random data.
you want to